Hello guys, good day. So this time I will have to show you on how to download and install Wondershare Quiz Creator. So first thing first, you need to visit my drive. So the link, I will provide the link in the description below so that you can find it and visit my Google Drive. So because I hosted the installer on my Google Drive. So here it is. All you have to do is to click this part here that says Wondershare Quiz Creator -04.blogspot.com. So right click that part and then another window opens up, and then all you have to do is to find download and then click on download. So let's wait for a while. Okay, that's it. So let's wait. After you downloaded the file, just click this part here and then show in folder. So after that, you need, because this file is in WinRAR archive, so all you have to do is to right click and then extract to Wondershare Quiz Creator. So let's wait for to be extracted. So here it is. So all you have to do is to open, and then we have here the Wondershare Quiz Creator 4.5.1.0. so double click and then you'll be prompted, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. And then after that, window opens. Here the steps on how to install. So just click next. I accept. Next, and then next. Create a desktop icon. It's up to you if you're going to create a desktop icon. So me, I just leave it there, and I click next and then install. So after that, click next and then do not launch. So uncheck this one, do not launch Quiz Creator, uncheck, and then finish. And after that, so you'll be prompted with this, and then here you can see the crack plus key. So all you have to do is to double click this one and then copy this file into the directory. Copy and then go to drive C, local disk C, and then find the folder where it says okay. So if you can find in the program files, so here is another, the program files x86. So double click this one and then find the folder Wondershare. Here it is. So double click this one and then paste the file, paste it. So as a file name, destination already has a file name, so you need to replace the file in the destination. Click replace the file in the destination. That's it. So after that, close, double click Wondershare Quiz Creator icon here on your desktop, and then yes. So it asks for a license email and registration code. So all you have to do is go back where you download the file here, and then on the key, here is the key, you can find the key, double click that one. You need to use this license email, copy, and then paste it, this registration code, copy, and then paste it here, and then register successfully. So you can now use the Wondershare Quiz Creator full. So that is how it works. So I hope you guys learn this video lesson that I have shared to you. Thank you for watching and have a good day.